Hello, students, and welcome to Unit 7. We are talking about globetrotting and also modals are the grammar focus for this unit. And there are 3 lessons in this unit, and I just wanted to show you here at the bottom of page 175 that lesson 1 and lesson 2 and lesson 3 are all talking about modals, but the different ways that we use modals. And I will explain more what modals are on the next page, but we're talking about necessity or prohibition, things that you can't do, or obligation. Also, lesson 2 is on ability, and then lesson 3 is on advice and regret and criticism. And this will make more sense to you in just a minute. So if you look on page 176, and if you look at the words in bold, have to, had to, have to, will have to. So these are all talking about necessities. So modals are the little words that show what you have to do or you must do. So what I need you to do is to read page 176 on the best dive vacations. And as you read it, look at the bold print words because those are all giving you examples of modals of necessity. And when you are finished with that reading, then you need to answer the check for exercise 2 and then read through exercise 3 to make sure that you are aware of what we're going to be talking about this unit. So the video is going to stop now for you to do that. Okay, now I'm on page 178. Hopefully you read the article and you were able to understand that and see some examples. And what we're going to do here is look at some common expressions that use modals for necessity or prohibition. So must and have to. I use these words all the time, right? You probably have heard them before. So must and have to are used the same to show that something is necessary. You probably ask this when do I have to do the homework? I must study right now. So you want to look through this chart and then down here, you're going to choose the best answer and sometimes more than one answer is possible because sometimes must and have to mean the same thing, but not always. They're used in different ways. So I'm going to do exercise 4 there in the Google form and 5. And so you're choosing between must not, or have to, or don't have to. And then I want to go on to the next page and look at the next chart because this is also talking about modals, but with obligation and expectation. So if you are supposed to do something, then usually we're talking about what you are needing to do, but maybe you haven't done it yet. And so that will be exercise 6. Also, I want you to do on the next page a practice with exercise 7 about choosing words, and you can use them more than once. And then also this pronunciation, because this is harder to hear when you are talking to people and it changes just a little bit. So I'm going to put this in the Google form as well. So I think that's it for lesson 1. And we'll work our way through these. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.